Well, that was a lot of fun playing around with reverse photography. I enjoy that. Get this fixed tomorrow. You know, I think it's about time we took a look at these RV parks. I've been promising you. We're going to take a look at two of them. They're on the east side of town. They're reasonable in price. They both offer full hookups for $300 a month for Arizona Sun and $350 a month for Park Place. You pay for your own power though. So come on with Spud and me, and we're going to go take a look at these RV parks. All right, for both RV parks, you take a right here at the Quartzsite Police Department on Coyote Street. We're heading east. And for Arizona Sun, we're going to take a left, the first left. And it's right down the road here. Right here. Arizona Sun RV Resort. Let's take a drive-through, take a look at it. This RV, they have a 4,500 square foot clubhouse right there, a laundromat. And one of the things they are known for are activities. $300 a month, you get a military discount. If you're a veteran, 10%, so it would be $270 a month. Full hookup, you pay for your own power. Now, I stayed here 1 full month, and I loved it. It was just really, really a neat place. The management, Barbara and Robert, they're really, really good people. They're really nice. And the electricity here is 20 cents a kilowatt hour. I stayed a month. It was really, really hot. I ran the air conditioner quite a bit. And it cost me $76. And right here on the back row is where I stayed. I stayed the blimp out there. And right here, number 131, I stayed right here. It's really neat. It's really nice. A lot of people here return here. They come here every year. Anyway, that's this is the park. It's got like everything else, laundry, coin laundry and everything. And the campos stay back here in this area. And the managers of the park, they are one of these fifth fivers right here. There's the activity room. Just pull in here and pay up. Pay up. Fair enough. Okay, there's Arizona Sun RV Resort. Let's go to Park Place. Park Place, we just take a right. This is still Arizona Sun here. Let me tell you, that's the deal. $300 a month. And a lot of old guys like we are former military, so you would get a 10% discount. I stayed here a full month and it cost me. I stayed here a full month and it cost me $270.76 for power. Full month. January is going to be more. They actually have a yearly price. You pay for your power though. And the yearly price is $2,300 for the full year. That comes out to be a little under $200 a month. Okay, we'll go Park Places around here. Take a right here. What's the name of the street? Okay, Wriggles. Okay, yeah, we can actually take this road across I-10 up here. and get back to the south side of I-10, which is where all the LTVAs are. Okay, Park Place. Right up here. I've never been in here. We'll take a drive-thru. I don't think they'll mind. Park Place, right here. 250 North Riggles Avenue. There's the phone number. And you check in right here, right there, when you turn in. But let's just travel around, take a look some. People say that these RV pads are bigger. The RV sites are a little bit bigger. They may be, but I don't see a difference. But I haven't stayed here. But for the price, people come here and stay year round, y'all. Year round, they do. And it gets god awful hot here, up to 120 degrees. My air conditioner wouldn't keep up with it. I have two air conditioners, a front and a rear. I think they're both 1500 BTU, are 1.5 tons each, and it cannot keep up with it. It's in the hundreds, and it cannot keep up with it. I got here September the 15th. No, I'm sorry, around late September anyway. And I had to come to the RV park so I could run the power continuously. I got here way too early, way too early. You don't want to get here until November. Well, you know. But that's it. This is it. This is it. It's a little more run down, I think. That's my personal opinion. I'm not trying to be mean about it. I'm just saying that it is a little, I don't think it's as nice as Arizona sun. This is supposed to be one of the newer ones, though, my understanding is. Yeah, this is supposed to be one of the newer ones here. But I guess it'd be all right. They charge a little more here. A little more. Their nightly is $45 plus tax. And Arizona Sun is about the same. They're about $5 less. If you'll stay nightly in January, it will be, they'll charge you like $12 more a night in January. And, you know, supply and demand. Well, that's it. That's it. Pretty much do it right here. I wanted to show you a couple more RV parks to help you decide if you want to stay here, if you can come here. My recommendation personally, is Arizona Sun RV Park. And it's just, to me, it's a lot better. I know the management, they're real friendly, they're real nice. I hope this helps you decide if you want to come here and stay or not. It is a beautiful place. If it just wasn't so doggone hot, I'd just stay here year round. Spud, what do you say? Huh? Spud says tell you hello. Hey, baby. Well, I got to keep my eye on the road here. Okay, well, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I thank all the new subscribers. You guys have been great. Lots of comments. Oh, boy. You guys really help everybody else when you leave a comment. And we thank you very much. The last video about being grateful was a very successful video. And it was a lot of fun to make. It was emotional, but a lot of fun. All right, well, thank you. We'll see you next video. And you guys take care. And no, this is not a bar fight. I didn't get in a bar fight. It looked like I got in a bar fight and came in second. No. All right, well, take care. Okay. I can't take it.